Where are we going?
I'm the foggiest. Keep up.
If it rains, you'll be the first to know.
There's no one.
But home to some very special guests as well.
Bloody hell. How are you making that? You want this? Take this. Oh.
Well, you can tell Ronald...
I'm not an owl! What are you doing?
Teaching. Wait.
Tonight when we get back to the common room, we'll both have partners. Agreed? Agreed. Oh! I can touch you now.
Into the cauldron, handsome.
I'll be here in a minute.
Shut it!
Why is it, when something happens, it is always you three?
Believe me, Professor, I've been asking myself the same question for 6 years. Just I think I love her. Hello, darling. How's your drink?